Mondays in DC are mundane and depressing.
Step back, doors closing.
On Monday mornings, no one's looking forward to work. They're just trying to navigate through traffic. You know, they don't really care who's in their way. They don't really think about the feelings of other people. My name is Masood Adipur, and I'm from Washington, D.C. My mom is from the Philippines and my dad's Iranian. I was raised in Fairfax, Virginia. I've been here less than a year, but it feels like home to me. I got the idea to hold signs when I was walking with one of my friends on the beach, and this is kind of what started it all right here. Honk if you love someone. It was back on a SUV windshield. I started making different signs such as, don't be so hard on yourself, today is awesome, smile. We drove the signs and I invited some friends out, and when I first told my friends about sign holding, it's like, why would you even think about that? Of course, it's just crazy just holding up this big poster sign in front of tons of strangers just like driving in on a Monday morning. I was holding the Honk if you love someone sign, and there's this giant like truck that just came down, and like coming from like 50 feet away, they're just slamming on the horn. And I was like, oh my, I was like, all right, yeah, I'm getting all like fired up or whatever by seeing this guy, and then he just kind of rolls up and slows down, and then he's like, yeah, I'm honking for you guys, and then I just go up to him because I'm just pumped up, and we like give each other a high five, and we just drive off. It was supposed to be just a one-off. We were just supposed to hold signs for one day, and I think after the first 5 minutes, we kind of realized, whoa, we're making like a bigger impact than we thought. So this reporter emailed me. An article came out in the Washington Post. A Middle Eastern news agency reached out to me. I started getting like personal Facebook messages in like languages I didn't really understand, from like Tunisia, Algeria, Turkey, Egypt. Just kind of like blew my mind. I was like, wow, people from like the Middle East, and like this is going like international. We got other emails. I dropped off my brother at school and saw your Be Happy sign. Just want to let you know it made my day. And I smile every time I see another one of your signs. Keep it up. I'm an 11-year-old boy from Arlington. It made me almost excited to go back to school. I sometimes get discouraged when I just see people just driving by. We've had some people flick us off. I think a lot of people will go out of their way to just ignore us. I'll go up to them and maybe peek around the corner and see if they can like see the message again, and everyone just kind of like looks at it again and they'll smile. Even if they're not saying anything, they'll be like, all right, yeah, all right. I think the thing that makes me get up every morning and do this and hold up signs is just seeing the reactions on people's faces. As long as I change one person's outlook on the day ahead or the week ahead, then it's mission accomplished. You know, even if you got one or two people, you know, you could have changed someone's day or week, or, I mean, go as far as saying maybe their life. This is a very simple project. You know, anyone can go out there, get a poster board, drop a sign that says, honk if you love someone.